In this video, I will explain you how to create music survey. First, you need to click Add-ons, Coffee Form, and Load Form Template. Now you can search Music Survey and click the template and load selected template. You can check the dashboard, responses, questions, and settings. After you refresh the page, click Coffee Form and Get Link. Just click Continue and go to your account. Click Advanced. And now go to Coffee Form and just click Allow. Now you get the link, just copy it and paste it into your search engine, like this. Now the music survey form is ready to use. Also, you can edit the questions. Go back to your Google spreadsheet and then go to Questions tab, like this. For example, you can insert one row like this. Just copy the data. And you can change the questions type, for example, into text, and the questions text name, and you need to clear the options, so it will show like this, name. Also, you can change the question type into date, for example, and you need to change the questions text to date of birth, like this, so the audience can easily to use the calendar to pick their date of birth. Also, you can delete the row like this, so the row will disappear instantly. Besides of that, you can also change the background color of your form like this, so the background color is changed now. Thank you.